Hello everyone, welcome to the Sujata show. Today I'm gonna make a shakshuka in different and easy way. So let's go. Here is the list of ingredient to make a shakshuka. You can see and note down if you want. I have around 2 tablespoons oil in the pan. Now I have some red pepper, mushroom and gently fry it for 2 minutes. Now I have 6 cloves of garlic on it and again fry it for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna mix some spices on it. Half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon turmeric, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder. After all this together, I want to roast it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can see all the spices are roasted very well and looks so good. I have 4 medium-sized tomatoes on it. Tomatoes are our main ingredient for this recipe. You can take more or less tomatoes as you wish. I love tomatoes, so I'm taking more tomatoes on it. And you can mix it together. Now I'm going to mix my favorite spices. A red chili paste. This paste I made it at home. And kasturi methi. It's around 1 tablespoon. Yeah, it's like good flavor on it, you know. So, yeah. And mix it really well. And I want to cook this for like 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Yeah, I just want to cook tomatoes very well with all the spices. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. Now you can see tomatoes are cooked and already separated. This smells so good, oh my goodness. Now I'm ready to add an egg on it. Just want to mix a little bit. You can see I have 5 eggs and I'm going to create some room for the egg. You can take like eggs like any different ways, but I like to take in this way so it looks like a little bit floury. believe me, this food is like so delicious and healthy actually. And if you wanna cook for your kids, so you don't have to take any spices, so yeah, they can eat also. They will love it for sure. See, 4 eggs on the side and 1 egg in the middle, so it looks like little floury. You can take like more egg or less egg if you as your wish. Yeah, and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. Yeah, I have some green chili to garnish it, so it looks more greeny, yellow, reddish, you know. And let them cook for 4 minutes on low heat. Alright, now you can see eggs are cooked and it looks so good, and believe me, this food is so delicious. And you guys should try this and let me know how it was, okay? And at last, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye.